Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 Best Color Printer 2025, hand-picked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. HP Sprocket Portable Photo Printer. 30% larger prints, custom stickers, and augmented reality features. Print your memories instantly and 30% larger with the HP Sprocket Portable Photo Printer. Connect to the HP Sprocket app via Bluetooth and print vibrant photos with exclusive designer features like frames, filters, and stickers. Personalize your prints by turning your own doodles into custom stickers, or use the Tag to Print function to easily find and print social media photos directly from your smartphone. The slim, stylish design fits into any space, and its portability makes it perfect for on-the-go printing. Unlock even more fun with augmented reality, accessing hidden videos, and shared print cues through the app. Includes HP Zinc photo paper for smudge-proof, sticky-back prints, ideal for journaling and creative projects. Plus, enjoy a 1-year limited warranty with 24/7 free support. Number 2. Zinc Portable Photo Booth, customizable. Instant prints with flash and LED ring light. Create picture-perfect moments with the Zinc Portable Photo Booth. Featuring a built-in flash and LED ring light, this photo booth ensures you get the best shot every time. With a 10.1-inch LCD touchscreen, easily select your layout, frames, and filters, and preview everything before printing. Customize your event in 3 simple steps. Manage guest privileges, audio settings, and language preferences for a personalized experience. Using Zinc technology, print vibrant photos on sticky back paper, perfect for scrapbooks and journals, without the need for ink or toner. Light and portable, the booth is ideal for any event, and with over 250 fun frames and stickers, it's guaranteed to elevate the party. Share photos instantly via QR code or Wi-Fi, and store them in the cloud for easy access anytime. Number 3. Canon Pro 1100 Professional Inkjet Printer, 11 pigment ink, wide color gamut, and chroma optimizer. The Canon Pro 1100 Professional Inkjet Printer takes your printing to the next level with its advanced 11 pigment ink system and chroma optimizer, delivering stunning color clarity and improved gloss uniformity. The Lucia Pro 2 ink system enhances color reproduction, making it ideal for fine art prints with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Achieve flawless prints with precise ink placement thanks to anti-clogging technology and an air feeding system that ensures accurate printing. Professional photographers will love the intuitive professional print and layout software designed for seamless output from Digital Photo Professional or Adobe software. With powerful printer management tools, including media configuration and color calibration, every detail of your print and workflow is perfectly managed. Enjoy durable, glossy prints with the Pro 1100 scratch-resistant capabilities. Number 4. Canon Professional Inkjet Printer, compact, high-speed A3+ printing with Alexa integration. Experience professional-grade prints with the Canon Professional Inkjet Printer, designed to deliver vibrant, rich colors every time with its enhanced 8-color dye-based ink system. Perfect for your home or studio. Its compact design saves valuable space while producing high-quality, bordered A3+ prints in just 90 seconds. Print borderless up to 13 inches by 19 inches or customize your prints up to 13 inches by 39 inches. Easily monitor ink levels and perform maintenance with the 3-inch LCD display, ensuring consistent results. The Canon Professional Print and Layout, PPL, software streamlines print settings so you can focus more on your art. Print seamlessly through Wi-Fi or network connections, and stay ahead of ink needs with Alexa integration, ensuring you never run out. Number 5. Kodak Step Instant Mobile Photo Printer, portable, zero-ink, Bluetooth/NFC print technology. Elevate your printing experience with the Kodak Step Instant Mobile Photo Printer. Say goodbye to delays and print your favorite photos on the go, directly from your iOS or Android device via Bluetooth or NFC. Whether it's selfies, portraits, or social media snapshots, instantly transform them into high-quality physical prints with the innovative zero-ink technology. No ink cartridges, no mess, just vibrant 2 inches by 3 inches sticky-back prints that resist moisture, rips, and smudges. The free Kodak app allows you to edit, add fun stickers, borders, and text before printing in under 60 seconds. Lightweight, portable, and available in multiple colors, this compact printer is perfect for creative projects, scrapbooks, and personalized gifts.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.